Hi, Brendan Lupetin from Myers, Evans, Lupetin, and Unitin. Please check us out on the web at myersmedmal.com. So today I just want to talk about a really important tax advantage that's available to people that receive a personal injury settlement in medical malpractice or any other type of personal injury case. And what I'm talking about are called structured settlement annuities. So what happened? About 25 years ago, the United States government changed the tax code. And they changed the tax code so that whenever somebody that was injured and filed a civil lawsuit and then got money from a personal injury lawsuit, if that person chose to protect their money the right way by investing it in a structured settlement annuity, then the government changed the tax code to make sure that the money was tax-free, which is a huge advantage over a lot of pretty much any other type of investment vehicle that's out there. So I think the best way to think about this is to look at the two ways in which somebody, yourself, could take the money from a personal injury settlement. So option one is the most common, and that's called a lump sum. So imagine you go the full distance of your case, you finally reach a settlement for a fair amount of money, and now you have this significant amount of money coming to you in a settlement. You can take that money in lump sum, i.e. a check is written to you and you can do with it whatever you want. So let's say that you're smart and you decide to invest that money, and say you put it into the stock market through mutual funds or something else like that, and that would be a good decision. Well, when you do that, there's a great amount of risk in doing that, because we all know that while the stock market can go up, it can also go down. And so what happens is that principal amount that you have is now at a significant risk of losing value, let alone making value. But let's say that the market trends up and you make money on your lump sum investment. Well, a big thing that comes back with a regular investment of your lump sum money is that all the money that you make on your investment of your settlement funds is taxable. And that can really affect your bottom line over time. So let's look at the second option that you can take, which is structuring some or all of your personal injury settlement in a structured annuity. And the upside of these annuities, that's only for people that were receiving money from a personal injury lawsuit, is first, they are very low risk. Now, I won't say zero risk, because theoretically it's possible an insurance company could go bankrupt or something like that, but that pretty much never happens. And other than that, the insurance company guarantees that not only the principal amount that you invest will be there at the end of the time period that you agreed to, but also it will grow at a set interest rate over time, which again is not something that the stock market could guarantee you. Now, additionally, and maybe the most important part of why structured settlement annuities are something you should seriously consider using when you have a personal injury settlement, is because all the money that you make at that guaranteed amount of interest is tax-free over time. And you would be very wise at the end to talk to your lawyer to say, hey, would I be better off taking my money in lump sum, or what would the advantages be of structuring this? Now, another thing to keep in mind is that lawyers don't get any benefit from the structured annuities. So whether you decide to take your personal injury settlement as a structured annuity, it doesn't financially benefit the lawyer at all. The only reason why I always recommend that my clients seriously consider this is because it will make sure that their investment from their settlement is protected, and it also makes sure that they will get a guaranteed profit in the future, which makes me feel better that all the work that we put into the case is going to result in a good long-term outcome, rather than the risks associated with the lump sum, or even worse, if other people got undue influence over the money or things of that nature. That won't happen with the structured annuity. So again, if you're approaching the final point of your settlement, you should seriously look into the pros and cons and the ways that a structured settlement annuity could benefit you. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Brendan Lupetin. Again, if you have any questions, please go visit us on the web at myersmedmal.com.